Welcome to the best picks. The best marble run is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys you can get for your kids. This amazing set from Discovery Mindblown is designed to spark creativity and problem-solving skills in children. With its intricate design and endless possibilities, the marble run offers hours of fun while encouraging critical thinking and spatial reasoning. Get ready to watch your kids build, experiment, and learn through play with this fantastic toy. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze, STEM Toy for Kids. This gravity maze sparks imagination and critical thinking. It helps kids develop engineering skills through an engaging STEM experience. This innovative game combines fun and education. It's perfect for building skills in the classroom and at home. Kids can solve marble puzzles and challenge their imagination. The game includes towers, marbles, a grid, and a target piece for endless possibilities. Kids 8 and older will love solving challenges with friends and family. They can build communication and reasoning skills while constructing complex runs. It's a great gift for kids who love logic games and problem solving. Boys and girls ages 8 to 14 and older will learn from this challenging game. What we like. This game is designed to challenge young minds and encourage problem-solving skills. It's a great choice for kids who love puzzles and enjoy a good mental workout. If you are looking for a toy that combines fun with learning, you should consider this. What people say. The marble run is a great toy for kids. It is a fun and engaging activity that helps children develop their problem-solving skills. The marble run is well made and durable. Number 4. Ravensburger Gravitrax Starter Set. This set is designed for kids aged 8 and up to learn about gravity, magnetism, and kinetics. It's an interactive way to explore science while having fun. With 122 pieces, you can design and construct your own maze and track systems. The possibilities are endless, allowing for creative building and problem solving. It's the top-ranked marble run system in the US, with over 15.5 million units sold worldwide. This product is a proven favorite for a reason. All sets are compatible and functional with all Gravitrax systems. This allows for limitless track designs and extended playtime. It's an ideal present for birthdays and holidays, perfect for creative and curious kids and adults. Give the gift of building and discovery. What we like. This marble run is a fantastic way to introduce kids to STEM concepts like gravity and kinetics. It's also the #1 marble run in the US, so you know it's a quality product. If you're looking for a gift that will provide hours of fun and learning, this is a great option. What people say. It is wonderful, easy, sturdy, and very entertaining. The hexagonal grid is definitely unique, and takes a bit of thinking at first to get the pieces oriented properly. It comes with instructions in several languages, each language has its own pamphlet, and there are 2 pattern books that show different layouts, starting with simple ones all the way up to harder ones. Number 3. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing marble run. It's a construction kit designed to fit together perfectly, so your marble maze won't fall apart while you play. This set includes 9 sturdy bases, 26 exciting action pieces, and 85 clear smooth run tube pieces. It has countless imaginative configurations. Watch the magic happen. This kit includes 30 glow-in-the-dark glass marbles in 6 colors. Kids will love watching them zigzag down their custom tracks. Keep everything organized with the included storage bag and marble pouch. It's easy to store all the pieces in one place. Learn about the physics of motion and gravity with the included learning guide. It also includes marble run construction experiments. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. They proudly develop products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. What we like. This set features glow-in-the-dark marbles that add an extra layer of excitement to the play experience. The pieces are designed to fit together snugly, ensuring the track stays intact during play. If you like a toy that combines visual appeal with educational value, you should consider this. What people say. It's also a great item for siblings and friends to use together and have to collaborate on constructing it. Pieces fit together very well. Marbles have little confetti inside that glow in the dark after sun exposure. Pretty awesome to shut the lights off and watch the marbles race. Number 2. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run Construction Set. Get ready for a thrilling experience. This construction set allows you to build your own marble run with exciting action pieces and track pieces. It's a fun way to spark creativity. The pieces fit together snugly, so your marble maze stays intact while you play. It includes sturdy bases and a variety of track pieces for countless configurations. This ensures hours of fun. Watch the marbles glow as they race down the track. This kit includes 15 glow-in-the-dark glass marbles in various colors. Kids will love the visual spectacle. Keep everything organized with the included storage bag. It's easy to store all the construction pieces and marbles in one place. This helps to keep the play area tidy. It's more than just fun, it's educational. The included guide teaches about the physics of motion. It also includes experiments to enhance the learning experience. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. The company focuses on education, imagination, and creativity. They also provide US support. What we like. This set features glow-in-the-dark marbles that add an extra layer of excitement to the play experience. The pieces are designed to fit together snugly, ensuring the track stays intact during play. If you like a toy that combines visual appeal with educational value, you should consider this. What people say. It's also a great item for siblings and friends to use together and have to collaborate on constructing it. Pieces fit together very well. Marbles have little confetti inside that glow in the dark after sun exposure. Pretty awesome to shut the lights off and watch the marbles race. Number 1. Marble Run Building Blocks for Kids. This premium set includes 233 pieces with 16 unique track modules. It features fun elements like a piano coaster and water wheel. It's designed to spark creativity and enhance engineering skills. The Marble Run encourages exploration of gravity and construction principles. It helps children improve logic and spatial thinking. This toy is designed to make learning fun and engaging. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, all pieces are smooth and safe. The large-size blocks ensure easy grip and reduce choking risk. Step-by-step instructions make it easy to build. Multiple track modules allow kids to collaborate with others. The design encourages sharing creations and boosts confidence. Completing challenging tracks provides a sense of accomplishment. This marble run is an ideal educational gift for children ages 3 to 8. Its colorful tracks and interactive components make it perfect for any celebration. If you have any problems, please contact us. What we like. This marble run includes interactive modules like piano coasters and water wheels, adding a unique element to the building experience. It's designed to promote STEM learning and problem-solving skills in a fun and engaging way. If you have young children who love to build and create, you should consider this. What people say. He's very creative and loves STEM toys, and this is one of the best ones. He loves Legos and this is very similar but with bigger pieces and gadget-moving pieces, which is amazing. I really like how it's child's Legos, and you can attach them to the base, making it easier to keep track of, easier to move, and easier to replace lost pieces. We have spent hours and hours building mazes for him. The maps that come with it are very nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.